Welcome to SubX. Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics Learners Book 7. We are starting Unit 7 Fraction. Sorry, my book is not so clear, but I am trying to solve. Getting started. Question 1, number A. Copy the number line. Write the fraction 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 in the correct position on the number line. So, look. 1 by 2, it means it's the half. Half means if this is full thing, here is half. So here 0 to 1, but if we consider like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will be the half? This one is the half. Here is half. And if we consider this one is 3 part, like here this is one part, this is second part, and this is third part, this one, and this one. So this case it will be 2 by 3. Okay, which is the larger fraction, 1 by 2 or 2 by 3? So this is the best way, which is if we multiply this 3 with this 1, it will be 3, and this 2 with this 2, it will be 2 times 2 means 4. So 2 by 3 is a larger than 1 by 2. But another thing, like 1 by 2 equals to 0.5 if you use calculator, and 2 by 3 we will get like 0.067. So this one is larger. Next, write the correct symbol less than or greater than between each pair of fraction. Remember that this sign means is less than and this sign mean is greater than. So here 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8. So what will be the 7 by 9 and 8 by 9? Look, once denominator is same, that time if numerator is less than another numerator, that will be the less. What does means? Like here is 5 by 6 and here is suppose 4 by 6. This case 5 by 6 is greater than 4 by 6 because here 5 is greater than 4. This is only when denominator will same. So here we can write here 8 is larger than 7. So 7 by 9 is less than 8 by 9. 1 by 3, 1 by 6. This case same thing, we will multiply this one like 1 times 6 equals to 6, and this one is a 1 times 3 equals to 3. So this 6 is larger. That case this one like this, 3 by 5 and 7 by 10. So 10 times 3 is what? 30, and 5 times 7 is 35. So 7 by 9 is greater than what? 3 by 5. So this one we can write like 3 by 5 is less than 7 by 10. Now this one, 2 times 9 is 18 and 3 times 7 is 27. So this case 27 is bigger one. That case we can write like this one. It means 2 by 3 is less than 7 by 9. Okay. Now number 3, write each of these improper fraction as a mixed number. So 5 by 3, we know once denominator is high, once numerator is high and denominator is low, that time it will be improper fraction. So 5 by 3 we can write 5 divide 3, it means 1 3 2. So this one we can write 1 2 by 3. Same thing, this one we can write 1 then 2 by 5. It means 5 times 1 is a 5, 5 plus 2 is a 7. This one 1 2 by 9. This one 3 and 3 by 4. It means 4 times 3 is a 12, 12 times 3 is a 15. Very simple. Number 4. Work out the following. Give each answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So this one, first we have to make LCM. How? 2 by 5 plus 7 by 10. So here denominator is 5 and 10, LCM will be 10. So 10 divided 5 is a 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 10 divided 10 is a 1, 1 times 7 is a 7. So 4 plus 7, 11, divide 10. So it will be 1, 1 by 10. We can write this one is 1, 1 by 10. What about 5 by 6 plus 3 by 4? So this one we can write in here 5 by 6 plus 3 by 4. So 6 and 4 LCM will what? 6 and 4. We can divide by 2. So here is 3 and here is 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is a 12. So our LCM is 12. 12 divided 6, 2, 2 times 5, it's a 10, plus 12 divided 4 is a 3, 3 times 3 is a 9. So here is 19 by 12. This one we can write 1 and then 7 by 12. How? 12 times 1 is a 12, 12 plus 7 is a 19. This is our answer. And work out, it's a very simple thing. 1 by 2 times 12, it means 12 times half. So it will be 6. 15 by 3, it will be 5, equals to 5 times 2 is a 10. 30 divide 5 is a 6, 6 times 3 is 18. So getting started part of fraction has completed. So first task complete. This is the part 1 of unit 7. Next video we will start exercise 7.1. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please subscribe my channel SADX.